Hello viewers, I am back with another mind-blowing tutorial on Blue Moody Effect in Adobe Lightroom. I promise it will shock you. If you like the video, don't forget to like and hit the subscribe button for getting more interesting video first. So let's get started. First, import your image. I had already imported my image. If you want to download this image, the link is in description. First, go to light section, set exposure to -0.10, it will decrease the exposures, then set contrast to 36. Then set highlights to -100, it will decrease the highlights of the image, then set shadows to +100, it will decrease the shadows of the image. And, lastly, set white to -1 and black to -27, it will decrease the black and white colors in the image. Now go to the grading section, set temp to -28, it decrease the temperature of the image. It will be differ. So decrease as your requirements. Then set vibrance to -20, it will decrease the intensity of colors. Now select the mix section in grading, go to select red color, set hue to -93. Select orange color, set hue to -69. Then select yellow color, set hue to 1. Then select green color, set hue to -1. Then select light blue, set hue to 100. Saturation to -2. And luminance to 36. Then select blue, set hue to -24 and saturation to 46. Select violet, set hue to 87. And lastly select pink, set hue to 100. The part of color grading is now finished. Now go to effect section. Set vignette to -50, it will increase the focus to your subject. Set midpoint to 44. Set feather to 62. Now go to details section. Set color noise reduction to 100, increase smoothness to +100. At last set detail to +100. This is Blue Moody Effect. I hope you like the video. For getting more interesting video, don't forget to like and hit the subscribe button. Stay tuned.